Friday morning to you. It is Friday the 26th, and the market just opened, and I've already gotten into a short trade here. Looking at the smaller time frame charts, I feel like we can probably get down for a couple of points. Looking at the big charts, the 6K down there and the 4K, well, that's a little iffier. So I'm not looking for a big, huge move to the downside. We'll see what happens. All right. Well, after the market kind of working up and down and coming back up to the top there, I just did not like the picture in price action. So I went ahead, closed it for a small loss, and when the picture gets more solid, then I will reconsider the short or look for a long opportunity based on the bigger charts. So let's wait for something to set up. All right, well, that didn't take too many bars before things finally got clear. The bulge on the 987 down there is really what kind of helped me to see where we were going, and the 4K chart is showing some signs of weakness as well. So I believe we are ready to go. All right, small profit locked in on this trade. I'm well behind Battleground there, looking in my order flow, and I like the 987 down on the rail. 610's been on the rail, and this little pullback really didn't affect it too much. In fact, it actually put the BBs on the rail better for the 610. So if that 1597 gets on the rail here, Katie barred the doors. We're headed south. All right, so price came back up, hit my stop. We got news coming out in 5 minutes, so I'm going to see what opportunities present themselves and see if we can't do something about it. All right, some pretty quick bars after the news release. Looks like the pressure to the upside now is going to take effect, so I'm going to ride this thing on up. All right. I closed the trade to the long side, got a little profit out of it, and waited a bar, and then I got short because I noticed we were coming up to almost a double top. We've got some divergence there in the 1597, the 610, the MACDs were inside the rail there, so even though it just topped up, okay, just topped up. I'm starting to like the shorts here. Maybe that's just me. Let's see what we get. There's an opportunity here. I know it. All right, with all the BBs on the top rail now, it's hard to think of anything but longs. So I'm taking a long here. And there we go. It's working its way up. Funny thing, if I had just been more patient on that last long, I'd be sitting real pretty right now. But that's in the past. So let me see how well this goes up, and we will see what we can see. All right. Well, I closed this trade because it's starting to lose some energy. And if you look there on the MACDs for the 144, well, they're going down. 377's on its way down. The 610's getting weak, and my natural tendency towards shorts is showing here. So I closed it for a few ticks and see what opportunity presents itself. All right, I'm feeling a little frazzled here. I took a long, and 2 bars later it slams back on me, and I'm still not clear why I took that long, going against my nature. And then I get short here. I kind of had to chase this short to get my entry. So take a breath and see if this will work. I'm not really deep in the hole right now. I don't have a whole lot to make up, so I just need to settle down and trade smart. All right, it didn't go all the way down to the 62% extension, and it just came back up pretty quick. So with that divergence showing up on the 144 MACDs, went ahead and closed it for a few ticks, and I'm getting closer to a break even. Let me find that clarity, and I will take another trade. Turn this into a nice green day. All right. Well, something was wrong with my video recording, and it's probably best because I did not have very many pleasant words to say. I took 3 stabs at getting this area, and the first 2 I bailed out on my own accord. I closed them before they hit the stops. Finally, when I took it for the 3rd time, I said, screw it, I'm going to make this work no matter what. When it pushed up against me, I had a pretty deep stop, which you see right now. And when it finally came up to the deep retracement, I couldn't help but add on. So I got my targets up ahead. See if we can't turn this ship around. All right, this trade has been going on way too long for me. I'm just getting edgy on the whole thing. I want this to go ahead and move, and it's just not moving. Buyers keep coming in and stopping the sellers. I need this to go ahead and break out, or I'm going to close the trade. All right, with an unclear picture in the MACDs, I mean the 144 MACDs are almost flat, and I'm impatient. I'm frustrated with this, so I've gone ahead, closed the trade. All right, 1.2 points for the day. Yeah, taking 3 stabs at a trade at the same area, and worse, yeah, closing them out myself. That just that frustrates me. So, I knew that I could get out of this trade for a little bit of green today, and that's what I need to do. So I don't care where the market goes now. I'm out with a positive day. Monday I'm taking off because I've got an appointment elsewhere, but I'll be back Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you later.